ERC, quality service since 1972, repairing TVs, console stereos, electronic musical instruments, pinball machines, arcade games, and more. Call 836-0454.
Hey, this is James Spann. You've clicked onto the Weather Extreme video. This is for Monday, the 20th day of October. Does it get any nicer than this? Boy, wonderful weather out. Let's go right to the Skycam shots around the network this afternoon. We'll start with Mount Cheahaw. And don't you know it would be fun to be up there right now? That's Alabama's highest mountain, just south of Anniston, where the fall colors are really starting to blossom. The sky clear at 2 o'clock. The temperature only at 60 degrees up there on the big ridge. The Birmingham Skycam looking south there from the top of the Daniel Building on a sunny fall afternoon. And up in the rocket city of Huntsville, well, why not? Let's look at rockets. How about that big Saturn V at the Alabama Space and Rocket Center? And again, the sky there is sunny. Water vapor satellite imagery. Dry air in place all across the deep south will be dry through midweek. Temperatures are nice. Readings in the upper 60s in northeast Alabama, low 70s elsewhere. Actually, I should say low 60s over northeast Alabama, upper 60s elsewhere. Most spots will top out around 70 today. And out there in the Rockies, a new surge of cooler air dipping down. Precipitation for the next 5 days, valid through Saturday morning at 7 o'clock. Heaviest rain showing up over the nation's heartland with a big upper low that's forecast to form out there. And you can see kind of Omaha and the bullseye there. Around here, kind of an odd arrangement. That's suggesting amounts of maybe 1/2 inch or less from Birmingham to Mobile, heavier amounts over on the eastern side of the state. All depends on this closed low later in the week, and trying to define that now, it's a little hard to do, but I think it's safe to say we've got a good chance of 1/2 to 1 inch of rain Thursday night and Friday. And the tropics are quiet, little disturbance approaching Central America, no threat for now, although the GFS is hinting at pulling that thing north up into the Gulf, as you'll see later down the line. In fact, let's look at the GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid at 1 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, 1 o'clock Tuesday. This is at 500 millibars, about 18,000 feet off the ground. We've got a new trough digging down across the northern Rockies. That'll be the one to watch. At the surface, we'll have a beautiful day. 40s in the morning, highs in the low to mid-70s. Wednesday, same thing. We stay dry, but that storm cranks out there across the nation's heartland. And Thursday, the storm kind of sits there. And the showers during the day Thursday show up west of here over Mississippi and western Tennessee. And I still think we'll maintain the chance of showers Thursday night and Friday. Friday, the latest GFS run, putting the actual upper air low really around Columbia and Jefferson City, Missouri. It's kind of been bouncing back and forth between Memphis and Little Rock and about that spot. But one way or the other, that should bring a pretty good rain event Friday. And again, now we're talking 1/2 to 1 inch of rain, just rain, probably a cool rain at that, with temperatures in the 60s as the rain falls. And yeah, we see that 1,012 millibar low in the Gulf with heavier rain over Florida. And could it acquire tropical characteristics? Not out of the question. That thing comes up toward Florida, moving northeast, and then Saturday that low is really around Charleston, South Carolina. We dry out. We get a dry slot Saturday, so we think the sky becomes partly sunny. Saturday should be a dry day for football. And Sunday looks like a beautiful day. Now, on this run, the GFS holding back the cold air push. You know, this morning, the map I showed you had it coming in Sunday. Well, it delays it by a couple of days. Look at Monday. The trough deepens over the east. Down below that, it's dry and pleasant. And then on Tuesday, the 28th, a week from tomorrow, very sharp trough over the east. And that's some good cold air advection right there. That pushes the perhaps the coldest air so far this season in here. So, again, I think we've got a good chance of a widespread frost before Halloween, either late this weekend or early next week. Just be aware of that. And at the end of the forecast, this is the 5th of November. And this is pure voodoo. We all know that. But on this run, the GFS has the big trough way out west, where some big Rocky Mountain snows are likely, if that happens to be the case. That is it for the Weather Extreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes on the blog, AlabamaWX.com, if you're watching this on YouTube or iTunes. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. And don't forget to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 News at 5, 6, and 10. Again, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful evening, and God bless.